Free layered security stack. Replace Microsoft Defender. Microsoft Defender scores well in labs but has 3 practical weaknesses. 1. Predictability. A billion identical installs make it a common target. 2. Limited web protection for non-Edge browsers. Chrome/Firefox users get no browser-level shield. 3. Measurable performance impact on mid/older machines. 1. Antivirus alone covers only the file execution vector. Modern attacks exploit multiple vectors. Recommended free multi-layer stack. Each tool covers a different attack surface. Bitdefender Free. Real-time malware detection. Browser anti-phishing across major browsers. Behavioral analysis. Keep Windows Firewall enabled. Malwarebytes Free. On-demand deep scans for adware, pups, browser hijackers. Run weekly and after untrusted downloads. Bitwarden. Free. Open-source password manager. Generate unique, random passwords and enable two-factor authentication. uBlock Origin. Browser content blocker to stop malvertising, trackers, and many phishing domains before they load. Quick actionable setup. Install Bitdefender Free. Verify real-time protection, web module, and auto updates are enabled. Install Malwarebytes Free and run an initial full scan. Schedule weekly quick scans. Create a Bitwarden vault, import or generate unique passwords, install browser extension, enable 2FA on critical accounts. Add uBlock Origin to your browser and keep default filter lists active. Keep Windows, browsers, and all software on automatic updates. Behavioral defenses, must follow these even with tools. Never act on urgent requests via links, navigate to sites manually. Enable and apply updates immediately. Think before installing software or extensions, prefer official sources and check reviews. When to consider paid solutions. You handle sensitive client or business data, need parental controls, or want proactive dark web monitoring and identity insurance, paid suites add extra services worth the cost. Summary of 4-tool free stack, Bitdefender plus Malwarebytes plus Bitwarden plus uBlock Origin, plus Disciplined Habits provides stronger, broader protection than Defender alone at no cost. Implement the stack, keep records of scans and updates, and prioritize updates and 2FA to minimize compromise risk.